Do you want a little secret on how I boosted my sales by 19%? Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to share with you how I grew my business with PayPal. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by PayPal, but what's crazy is I would have done this video for free anyways because my sales grew by 19% just because of PayPal. The first tip I have for you is add PayPal as a payment option. You all have checkout pages, but have you thought about just letting people pay through PayPal? On your checkout page, you can include that by an option. And when I did that on my checkout page, what I found is my conversions went up by an extra 6%. It may not sound like a lot, but you have to think about it. All these little tweaks add up. And here's the crazy part of what I learned is, you yourself are doing business in whatever region, whether that's the United States, India, UK, Latin America, there's all these regions in the world. But doing a business online, people can reach you not just from where you're located, but again, all around the world. And adding PayPal as a payment option not only brings trust, but it makes it easy for people all around the world to pay you. The second tip I have for you is offer payment plans. See, when I started selling products online, one of the first products I would sell was a product for $997. That's a lot of money. And people would come and they would purchase. But then I decided, you know what, why not have payment plans? And a lot of people out there think, hey, you know what, if you have payment plans, people are gonna cancel, they're not always gonna stay, you're not gonna get the full amount of money. But the beautiful part is, with PayPal, they make payment plans really simple. And when I offered payment plans, my sales went up another 13%. If you take the first tactic of 6%, combine it with the second tactic of 13%, that's a total of 19% more in sales. And here's the thing, although when I was offering payment plans, some people canceled, in total though, I still made more money than if I didn't offer payment plans. The third tip I have for you is to take money offline. If you're a business, you don't just do business online. People are walking all around this world doing businesses at conferences, trade shows, meetings, whatever it may be. With PayPal Card Reader, you can accept money offline. A good example of this is I speak at conferences. And when I speak at conferences, my company will have an exhibit booth. People will come, they'll talk to some of my sales reps or other people that work at my company. And when we find that someone's interested in our services, why would you want to wait? With PayPal Card Reader, you can start generating revenue offline, whether that's conferences or even your brick and mortar shops. It's beautiful, it's easy to do, and it'll boost your ROI from things like events. The fourth tip I have for you is start leveraging business loans. See, here's the beautiful thing about the internet. If you know you're growing really fast, bank loans aren't that expensive. But I know what you're thinking, bank loans are really hard to get. Here's the beautiful part about PayPal. If you run your business through PayPal, they'll give you offers for loans. For example, if you're running a lot of your revenue, people are paying you through PayPal, they know what you're generating on a monthly basis. They make it super simple to get business loans and qualify for them versus a bank or any traditional means. You gotta check it out, it makes it easy, and the best part about it is, if you're running things like paid advertising campaigns on Google or Facebook, this allows you to spend more money on advertising, especially if you know for every dollar you spend, you're making more money and your campaigns are profitable. So that's it. Those are the 4 tips I have for you if you want to grow your business with PayPal. It's really simple, they work. Just as a quick recap, 1, accept PayPal as a payment option. 2, make sure you have payment plans, whether it's recurring payments or payment plans. It's a great way to generate extra revenue versus just charging a flat fee up front. 3, make sure you check out PayPal's Card Reader. If you're going to events or offline meetings, the beautiful part about it is it lets you close deals in real time. And 4, PayPal offers business loans. By running your business through there, it's so much easier to get approved for money without going through all that normal paperwork and long process that normal banks take. PayPal makes that process super simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below and I'll be there to answer it. If you liked the video, I would really appreciate that. Make sure you share it, subscribe, and tell your friends about it. Thank you for watching.